Hi everyone, I'm Susanna. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm attaching the straps to the bag that I finished. Just finished, okay. And today's topic is the price. A little bit serious topic today. I know that. And the reason why I wanted to talk about it, because I made the almost exactly the same thing that we can buy, right? And consider to that, do you think this is worth to make it or not, or something? And I took nearly 2 days to finish here of this project. So think about that. Is that cheap project or worthy project? In Japan, the average, average salary per hour is almost $10. And consider to that, I took almost, so if we work 8 hours a day, it is almost 2 days, so I need $80 and $160 I need to be paid. But this bag is sold at less than $20, right? So consider to that, is it worthy or not? I don't know, it's up to you. So this is the price if you think about from the side of the labor fee. Okay, next let's think about the material. The material I used, it cost less than $2 per ball, and I used 4 balls now, so it is $8 now. And I need lining and magnetic buttons, so it is approximately $10 to make and finish this. And thinking about that side, this bag is sold in less than $20, but it is still higher than I paid for the material, right? So in that meaning, I can make it much lower than we pay. So if you love this result, that is worth it to make it, worth to do it. Alright, because this is your meditation and your hobby, so you can relax to do it. So that is a price for you to your hobby, and somebody pay $20 to this. Maybe you are happy. Okay, so think about more. Last season, the FENDI had many crochet bags there on their line, and then it was quite high priced, or approximately $600 for the small smartphone case. So what do you think that? If you can make it, you can earn a lot, right? This is another side. Maybe they need to campaign, they need to advertise something to sell this a lot. So it's not the actual price, I know. So minus that, if they receive a gross profit approximately $100, is it worth it to make? Maybe yes, including the materials. Or if they have gross profit has 200, yeah, maybe yes, because according to the Japanese labor salary, 2 days cost $160, right? So consider that it is worth it to have, worth it to do it. So that is a topic, today's topic. If you think this is good idea to do it, and the reason why I sometimes make the same thing with the flea pattern or something in the market, it's barely, nice chance and nice timing or nice opportunity to think about more details or deeper side or dark side or something. So that's why for myself and for my study, I do it. I love to do it. It is so this is my topic of today and finished. Yeah, I did it. And I finished the one bag now, and I'm going to move to the next bag. This one. So this is the sneak peek. I'm going to show you how to crochet without fastening off and while changing the color. This works only for the 2 colors, changing every round. Okay, so finish. And I need to attach lining and magnetic buttons. No, this is the drawstring bag, so I need to prepare the cord. So maybe I'm going to make with the double chain or something. Okay, thank you for watching to the end. Now finish this bag. And I wanted to skip the how to sew the strap, but sometimes they request, the viewers request to want to watch how to attach. So I did it. Okay, thank you very much to the end, and so see you in my next project. Thank you and bye-bye.